We were trying to figure out how much practice ammunition a tank crew had to fire to become proficient. One thing we knew was that Soviet crews fired about 1/10 as many rounds in training as American crews did. The cost differential was tremendous. Every time we fired from a tank, it cost the taxpayers from $200 to $1,000, depending on the type of round, and each of our crews fired approximately 100 rounds a year. The Army's training technicians had designed simulators and devices like video games that would allow our crews to become proficient using less live ammo. We wanted to find out what combination of actual firing and the use of training devices produced the best performance. One tank battalion was given the maximum number of rounds. Another got fewer rounds. Another got fewer rounds still, and more time on the simulator trainers. The acid test was to take these differently prepared battalions out to the major qualification range, give them the same number of rounds, and see which did best. The answer turned out to be none of the above. The battalions that did best were those with the best commanders. This story is quote from the autobiography, My American Journey, of Colin L. Powell, who was an American politician, statesman, diplomat, and United States Army officer. His words continue like this. A good commander could motivate his men to excel under any condition. That's right. Leadership is the art of accomplishing more than the science of management says is possible. Don't forget that leadership is about making ordinary people consistently produce extraordinary results.